Struggling to stay consistent with yoga? You're not alone. But with a few tricks, and the clever Yoga Complete Beginner's Kit, you can make yoga a habit that sticks. This kit has everything you need: a thick mat, supportive blocks, a strap to deepen stretches, and even a towel for those extra sweaty sessions. It's perfect for building a routine that works for you. 1. Set a time. Same time every day. 2. Create a space. Use the clever yoga kit to build your yoga corner. 3. Start small. Just 5-10 minutes daily. 4. Track progress. Journal your poses and improvements. Consistency is about simplicity. With the clever yoga kit, everything is ready when you are. No excuses, no stress. Ready to make yoga a habit? Start with the clever yoga kit and watch your life transform. Check the description to get started.